Welcome back to Dad Deals. In this video, I'm going to talk about Aqara smart home products. I really like some of the stuff that they're doing in the smart home space, and they sent me some products to try out hands-on and show you guys before they're going to be on deep discount during Amazon's fall big deal days, as well as during the Black Friday and Christmas seasons ahead. But if you've never heard of this brand, stay tuned. I'll give you some hands-on looks at their products, show you how they're working in my home, and kind of explain what I like about them. So when you talk about a true smart home, where things really get interesting is when you can have different devices triggering different events in your house. So let's say, for example, you have a smart video doorbell that can recognize you approaching your door, automatically unlock that door, maybe turn on the AC and turn on some lights in your house, something like that, where you have a trigger event and then you have a response to that event across different products. Now, while most brands want to lock you into their ecosystem, something like Ring or Google Home or something like that, Aqara is all about interoperability, and they've really been one of the leaders in adopting a technology called Matter, which is an industry standard language that all of these smart home products will be able to talk to each other using. So most of the smart home products, like your Ring products and your Google Home products, they want you to work within their own ecosystems, but they do also support this Matter standard so they can actually all work together. So in order to make them all work together, you do need to have a hub of some sort. And this is Aqara's latest version of the hub. This is the M3 version. Now this supports multiple protocols, including Zigbee, Matter, of course, Thread, and a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth protocols. So it can pretty much integrate any of the smart home products that you have and allow them to talk to each other. And the big thing about having a hub is that all your data is going to stay local. So it's not going to be sent out to a server, which can pose security risks and slow things down. This all stays local on your network. One other really cool thing about this hub is it has an IR blaster, so an infrared blaster, almost like a remote control. So anything that is powered by a remote control that might not necessarily be a smart home product can also be triggered by this. So in my case, I actually have a window air conditioner that this hub can actually send a signal to. So that just opens up more opportunities to do those trigger and action responses. So for example, when I approach the door, it can automatically turn on my air conditioner system via a remote signal, just like I would with a remote control, and not have to use Wi-Fi or anything else. So pretty awesome. Now, one other product that they sent me is their doorbell camera. And a cool thing about this doorbell camera is it actually has a chime that is also a hub. So if you didn't want to just get that M3 hub, now this is a little bit more limited one, but this is still going to give you that Matter and Zigbee support, while also giving you a video doorbell and chime. I also found their products to be really well made. I love this doorbell camera. It's super lightweight. I was able to hardwire it into my existing doorbell wires, so I don't have to power it by batteries or anything like that. And the picture quality is super clear, and the alerts are just so fast being on your local network. I've just really been impressed with this doorbell camera. A couple other products that they sent me to test were the camera. This is the G100 camera. This thing has 2K high resolution. It's waterproof, so you can use it indoor or outdoor. All of their products have local storage capability, so you don't need to subscribe to a cloud service if you don't want to. They do offer that, but you can actually store everything on a memory card, which is great. They're one of the only brands that offer local AI, so they can detect faces, so you don't get false alarms, and you don't have to have a subscription to use that, which I love. But this camera can be table mounted, wall mounted, or ceiling mounted, so really endless possibilities. And it's just $35. That's the retail price. It's going to be lower on these sale days coming up. So just a great value here on this camera. And then another product they sent me to test out was their smart lock. This has a keypad, a great build quality to it. It's super easy to make temporary passwords. You can even unlock the door by just tapping your phone, and it's going to work with their entire ecosystem. So kind of give you an example of all this stuff working together. Here you can see me walking up to my house. The doorbell camera alerts my phone. It also can unlock the door, can even turn on some Philips Hue lights that I have, can turn on the window air conditioner unit that I was talking about earlier, can activate the camera and even rotate it. So it could really just do all of that without me hitting any buttons and do it automatically, which is awesome. That's a true smart home right there. So if this holiday season you're looking for an alternative to the Ring products or any of the other subscription-based home security or smart home products, definitely give Aqara a look. I really think they offer a great value. They're very secure and future-proof using that Matter protocol. And they're just really great, well-made products. They offer a bunch of different sensors and all sorts of stuff, so definitely give them a look. And I hope this video was helpful. If you've been in the market for any of these products, definitely hit the like button if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.